Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 easy ways to make money with Canva. Canva is a lifesaver. It's a game changer. I've been using Canva for years right now, for almost I think 2-3 years right now. I've been using Canva to create designs, and before I started using Canva, I think the first time I downloaded Canva, it was the free version I downloaded, and then with time I now upgraded and I started using the Canva Pro. Like, I'm going to tell you that if you want to design with Canva, you can start with the free version of it, and then you can upgrade with the Pro version. Though the Pro version, when you upgrade to the Pro, when you sign up with the Pro version, it comes with 30 days free trial. You can actually find the link in my description box. Okay, when you sign up with the Pro version, it comes with 30 days free trial. Now Canva helps you. With Canva you can create different designs. It's user friendly. It's beginner friendly. If it's your first time using Canva, okay, it's beginner friendly, and you don't have to be a professional graphic designer to use Canva. Okay, that is one thing I love about Canva. It's so simple. All the templates there are simple and they're easy to customize. All right. So I'm going to be sharing with you in this video how you can actually make money using Canva. All right, but before I go into the video, to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Violet. On this channel I share different ways on how to make money online. So if you're someone who is interested to make money online, you want to earn some extra money, stick around, join the family, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell beside it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, give this video a thumbs up. It helps you to share this video to other people, knowing that this video has value to offer. All right, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to like and also share this video. All right, so let's dive right into today's video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So the first way to make money with Canva is by creating Canva templates and selling them on marketplace like Creative Market. All right, you can create templates like social media templates such as Instagram templates, Facebook templates, any social media template. You can create them on Canva and sell them on Creative Market and make money. All right, the second way to make money with Canva is by creating printables or designing printables. Printables are anything people can print, such as business cards, frames, like anything at all people can print out are printables. Okay, so you can create printables on Canva and sell them on marketplaces like Etsy. Etsy is a global marketplace where people sell different kind of stuff, necklace, shoes, t-shirts. Like, you can sell them on Etsy. Okay, sell your printables on Etsy and make money. All right, the third way to make money with Canva is by creating YouTube intros and outros. Like, these are the things people sell on Fiverr, guys. People make money selling YouTube intros, like designing YouTube intros and outros on Fiverr. All right, you can actually do that for yourself on Canva. Canva is very, very easy to use. Like I said, you don't have to be a professional graphic design to use Canva. There are so many templates on Canva. All you need to do is to go in and customize it to your own taste. Okay, design it to your own taste and start using it. Personally, I use Canva to design my YouTube thumbnail, YouTube intros, YouTube even edit YouTube videos. I use Canva to create YouTube banners, to create my YouTube banners, to create my social media templates. Like, I don't have to pay anyone for anything to help me design create designs for me. I do it myself. I use Canva Pro to create my designs. All right, Canva, you can have the free version, you can have the Pro version, but with the Canva Pro you have the 30 days free trial. All right, so when you sign up with the Canva Pro, you have the 30 days free trial. So I left the link in the description box if you want to sign up with the Canva Pro so you can enjoy the 30 days free trial. You can go ahead and use the link in my description box to sign up with the Canva Pro and start designing, creating designs. You don't have to pay so much money to get designs done for you. All right, you can design it for yourself. Everything you want everything you need, all the designs you need are all on Canva. All you need is to customize it to your own taste, okay, to what you want it to look like. The fourth way you can make money with Canva is by creating books. Yeah, you can design books. Personally, I design books with Canva and I sell them on places like Amazon KDP. So you can design books on Canva and you can sell the book on Amazon KDP and make money. The fifth way to make money with Canva is by designing t-shirts. Okay, you can design t-shirts on Canva and you sell them, you upload and sell on print on demands like Redbubbles, Spreadshop. All right. Personally, I use Canva to design my t-shirts, okay, and I sell them on Spreadshop or Spreadsheets. All right, and I make money selling my t-shirt on Spreadsheet. These are the 5 ways to make money using Canva. All right, so let me know in the comment section if you're currently using Canva. You know, what plan are you using? Are you using a free version or using a pro version? And how long have you been using Canva? What do you design with Canva? And if you're yet to start using Canva, all right, there's a link in my description box for you to get the pro version. You can sign up with the pro version and get 30 days free trial. Okay, 30 days free trial before you can start the subscription for the Canva Pro. All right, Canva, like I said, is very easy and it saves you the money. Like, you don't have to go out and spend money to get designs done. You can get your designs done by yourself using Canva. It's so easy, guys. So that is all I have to share with you guys. So if you find value watching this video, do not forget to subscribe, okay, if you've not subscribed yet, and hit the notification bell beside it, and of course like this video so that other people can find this video and also watch the video. All right, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.